Hello everybody, I am Shambhawi Vermaa from 4 Months Rover, Lotus Valley International School, Noida. Today I am going to present a self-composed poem, and the title of my self-composed poem is My Father is My Hero. My father is my hero when my mood is down to zero. He always has a way to cheer me up, like the butterflies go down and up. He's always there for me. We play dress up and have tea. He gets me everything I need and gets me the books I want to read. We play brain-boosting games to train our brains. The only time he's not with me is when he has office or meeting with his bosses. We love making card castles without any hassles. Always fun with a slice of butter bun. I am fortunate to have a father like him. I'm sure all others will agree with me. A father is the coolest blessing for all children to be.